Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to send message using with lesser effect. So if you want to send message with lesser effect on iPhone, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your messaging app on your phone. Then, like I said, just try and figure out the person you want to send the message out, but make sure the person is an iPhone iMessage user, which means the person has an iMessage enabled on his or her phone. So after that, then just input your message which you want to add a lesser effect to. So I'm just gonna type in hello world. Okay, good. So now I'm gonna long click on this arrow up button. Then good. After that, I'm gonna tap on in between the bubbles and the screen. I'm just gonna tap on the screen. Then I will have to slide to the left, to the right side for me to get the lesser effect. This is the balloon effect, so I'm going for lesser. So scroll to the next one. Okay, this is not lesser. This is love. Okay, and this is laser, and this is sent with laser. So just tap on the arrow up button right in front of the message bubbles, then tap on it, then the message will be sent as laser. You can see that, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.